Well, next we'll tell you about a unique Christmas lights display in Shelby County. This one features some of your favorite Christmas characters, including the Pumpkin King and his ragdoll friend. We're going to talk to both next. Hey, welcome back. Well, this is the week to go out and check out all of those amazing Christmas light displays that are all over town because holiday season's coming to an end. We've got hundreds of places all across central Alabama you can pick, but the folks at Christmas Miller's Farm in Vincent have a pretty impressive display. And look who decided to join us. They have some interactive characters like Jack Skellington.
That's me. I'm Jack Skellington. Nice to meet all of you.
The Pumpkin King.
Indeed, indeed. And this is my lovely wife, Sally.
Yes. Hello. You're looking a little cold today. Are you feeling?
I'm in the Christmas spirit, dressed for the winter.
Yeah, I heard that guy talking about 16 on Christmas.
Yes.
Luckily, I'm made primarily of bones, but I still think that's going to deeply affect me.
Oh, well, how in the world did you end up at Vincent at the Miller's Farm?
Okay, this is what happened. I was outside and there was this huge crops of trees everywhere, and on each one was a different door.
Okay.
On this one particular door there was woods and a little red barn, and I opened the door and I got pulled in and I found myself on Miller's Farm.
Wow.
It was the most amazing thing. Lights everywhere, crazy people doing this, doing that. I see Charlie Brown, I see the little kid from A Christmas Story. They're just
all hanging out at a farm.
It's the weirdest thing.
So can we come see this stuff?
Yes, you can definitely come see it.
Everyone's welcome.
Everyone.
Beautiful.
You come down to Vincent's, we got a nice midway setup. We got the Santa Claus. That's how you say it, right?
Santa, yeah, he's the big guy, white hair.
Red, yes.
Yes.
I tried it myself. I wasn't good at it, but he does a phenomenal
You
job.
caused some problems with Santa.
Yeah, but you know what? It's a learning experience.
Y'all good now?
Yeah, we're all good. We're all
Okay.
good.
He saved the day.
Yeah,
Everyone's
yeah,
welcome.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah. He just does a little finger thing to his nose and boop, everything's fixed. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. But he makes toys also, like wooden trains and things you can buy. We have a Jelly of the Month club. We have vendors. We have food trucks.
And all of this is at Miller's Farm.
Yes.
Where are y'all located at?
We are located out in Vincent, Alabama.
Okay. And what do we need to know about coming? Oh, here's a little video of what you can experience.
Oh,
Now, are y'all open this weekend?
We are. We are open this weekend, next weekend. And we will be closing on January the 1st. We'll go all the way through New Year's. So if you want to come out on Christmas because you're like, oh, I've got the family, I don't know what we're going to do, hey, come to Miller's Farm. We will entertain you.
Yeah.
We've got Charlie Brown out there. I mean, we've got Grandma Got Ran Over by a Reindeer. I don't know what her name is.
Who?
The grandma got ran over by a reindeer. They never specified.
Doris.
Doris. Okay, then
Doris.
Doris. We have Doris
What a
out
lovely
there.
name.
I don't know. All right, so let me ask you, y'all, just in case there's some families out there, this is a family-friendly event, right?
Family friendly across the board. Now, I'm not going to pretend like some kids don't see the scary skeleton and go, ooh, it's a skeleton. But there have been plenty of times those kids walk right past the Santa Claus and come to old Jack.
All right, so if you want to have some fun and hang out with Jack and Sally, let's do it. Today? Can we go today?
Yes, you can go tonight. We'll be there waiting to see you.
Come
All
get
right.
your face
I
painted.
also
Make
want to
some
thank you because we love to learn about things. And earlier we learned about how Christmas lights work. I never even understood it. I just thought there were little bugs inside of them that lit up.
So how do you replace Christmas bulb with these big old fingers?
Oh, very slowly. And if you notice, Zero took a couple of my fingers, and I haven't got it. He's a, you know, when you have a pet that likes bones and you're primarily bones, these are occupational hazards you have to deal with.
All right, well, you heard it from Jack. If you want something to do this weekend or next weekend, go see him, and we'll be right back.
All right, one more look at that 7-day forecast. Lots of sunshine today. Enjoy the weather. We have some showers that will move in tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. It'll linger into Tuesday. Wednesday's looking dry, but that Arctic air, it's going to be a big story for us by the end of the week. Make sure you monitor the WBRC First Alert weather app. But look at that. Temperatures near 18 Friday morning, and wind chills could be in the single digits as we go into Friday morning. So very cold and temperatures staying below freezing. You could say, Russell, that is very bone chilling.
Oh,
speaking of some bone chilling.
That's my cue. Come
Yes.
on, Sally, get in here. Look at all. There's pictures behind us. I don't like. Wait, no, it's this side. I don't like these.
Yeah, the cold
These are
temperatures.
terrible. These are terrible. They've got to go. Let's get those out of here.
No.
We'll just cover those up
Get
so you
out
don't
of
have to
here.
worry about it. Hope you guys are going to have a Merry Christmas. It's going to be freezing outside.
What's going on here?
Hey!
I don't know.
We have taken over the weather. See, in this area. Oh, we're gone.